In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison of the Aquoxis F-33 Vortex, a professional-grade drone that stands out in a crowded market of aerial photography tools. When looking at the F-33 Vortex alongside its competitors like the DCX Volo X or the Ruco U11 Mini, the trade-offs become clear. While the DCX model emphasizes AI-assisted flight and 360-degree obstacle avoidance for about $550, the Aquoxis F-33 focuses on a premium integrated experience with its high-quality touchscreen remote. This eliminates the need for a separate smartphone, a massive contrast to cheaper alternatives like the Aquoxis F-23, which sits at a beginner-friendly $150 price point but lacks the professional polish and screen quality found here. The F-33 is positioned for those who want serious hardware without the complexity of third-party app sensing. It competes directly with the Ruco U11 Mini's 8K capabilities and 3-axis gimbal, but the Aquoxis ecosystem often appeals to those prioritizing a robust build and local support. If you are worried about the investment, there are even accidental damage protection plans available that cover everything from drops to cracked screens from day one. Ultimately, the Vortex wins for users who want a dedicated professional controller and a reliable mid-range price point. Choosing between these comes down to whether you value AI flight aids or the seamless control of an integrated touchscreen. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the Vortex. If this review helped you decide, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more drone comparisons. Which feature matters most to you in a pro drone? Let us know in the comments below.